Hey guys, yeah, so I just got another project to work on. I actually got this one from Vinted. The listing was there and it was closer to me, the city. So I just pay for all this stuff. It's not a complete full bike, most likely, you know, just most of it is there. I just need a bit of, adjusting and then changing tires. Probably you have to change the tires because these are bulge. Don't know what the person did here outside. She did the patch on the outside. Don't know. Cassette, yes, has to be changed 100%. The discs, I'm gonna change it. Yeah. We got the pedals here, original pedals from the bike. The bike has got some scratches on it. Nothing bad. The seat is still good condition. We got no pads in that brake. Don't know what happened. And then we got the shifter here, the derailleur. It is a bit broken, yeah. Don't know if it's still working. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to sort out the shifter. That one is that's from the back. And then we got the handlebar here. I got the stem from it. It's got some rust on it, but we got the headset. Just need to be cleaned up and re-greased. And then I got the forks as well. Yeah, forks got some rust on it. Yeah, so I'm have to probably open the fork, which I'm gonna do on the video, and clean it inside, grease up everything, oil, all that stuff. This stuff is still alright, it's not bad. But somebody in the comment on the last video that I should do one ring in the front and then 8-9 in the back, a bigger cassette, yeah. Which I'm gonna try to do this time. I'm not sure if I can make it, but I'll try and do that. Yeah, so all this stuff here about for £40. But it took me like 1 hour to go and come back to get a bike. But nice. I got the tires already. I bought before. I'm always checking on Vinted for the tires, forks and all that. And then I got a pair of tires, same Maxis, like good nice tires. I got them for £20. And then I got the fork as well. I just got the fork in the morning today. 29. This is Santur fork. That's really good condition, that one that I got from Vinted. So I think I'm gonna put that one instead of this one, because this will take me some time to fix the rust and everything. So I want to use that one. For that fork I paid £25. So yeah, it should be a nice project, yeah. buy the extension if I don't have it, and just do with a nice big cassette, yeah. Right, let's see where's the thing. There you go. By the way, I cleaned the inside already, yeah, just before the video started. So this one. Oh, that's wonderful. Where's the smallest one? There you go, right here. It's nice, nice. Come on. I'm sure I can do it better with the key. I'll stay here. Let me get the key. Not straight. Come on. There you go. That's funny. Oh my god, yeah. Let's see, let's try it a bit. There you go. Yeah. The hub is still okay inside. I did not open it yet to check, but it sounds like it's still okay inside, yeah. Let's see. It's nice and straight as well, yeah. So that'll be the cassette, yeah. We're putting on the Specialized. I have already the chaining in the front with the bottom bracket. I'm gonna get that from that frame that I bought. I bought just the frame. The frame is cracked. I bought just for the bottom bracket. You have to take it from there. Yeah, I just managed to put the wheel on the bike. I've done a few tests on the gear already. It's just all working to the top one. I did not change the derailleur. I left the same derailleur. I'm just gonna only clean it. And in the front, I'm planning to do, as I said, just one chainring in the front. I know I should have washed the bike before. The problem is it gets too much grease after that on it, yeah. So I want to wash it in the end, just clear all the grease. Obviously, I'm gonna wash the disc brakes as well, and I'm gonna sand down everything because they're rusty. And then I'll try and change this bit as well, yeah, because this is cracked. And then this one, so I'm gonna take them off. I got a pair of hydro brakes. Then I'm gonna use on that. And then the shifter I have done, I put the Altus here. It's working perfect, yeah, with this one, yeah, perfect. Bike, it doesn't have many scratches. It's got a little bit, paint off here, but overall the bike is alright. It's not bad like other bikes that I saw before. They were like too much damage, yeah. This one is okay. The headset appears to look okay. I showed you before. I got it on Vinted, 15 pounds. It was a good deal. Preload is working as well. Doesn't have rust. Sternut is still there. Fork looks in very good condition, yeah. It does not even have many scratches on it. Very little scratches, yeah. Yeah. Everything is working. No rust on the stanchion, nothing, no dents. Nice. I'm not gonna use the other one that it was original on the bike because that's too much rusty, and obviously I want to make it to do some profit on it, yeah. And as soon as I'm gonna put the one chaining in the front, I will make another short again. And then the tire on this one as a front, it's nice, all good. The seat, I'm gonna use this seat, yeah. I'm just gonna clean it, or maybe I'm gonna buy another seat. It's so sunny as well. This is the day that it was probably 26 degrees today.
28. It's just massive. And then removing this one. Yeah. There we go. And we're cutting it as well. So hard. That's it. Just pulled everything out in there. So most likely something is for that sense. That's it. Just try it. The person who did the bike here, it's just the cable is just messy. Hasn't been changed probably since it was new. Yeah. So this is gonna go straight to bin. I won't be able to use this one because it's just mess. It's just mess. We don't want to use that to the people, yeah. So after taking the crown from the other fork, I put on the one that I have just bought. I put already the bearing. I've been cleaning already inside. I've been greasing up everything there. So I'm just gonna try and put the fork in. Hoping I'll take all the grease out. There you go. I cleaned before the bearings. Nice there. That's it. Is the other one? shifter is fitting perfectly, yeah? Perfectly. Wow, nice, nice, nice.
So originally I wanted to put some different ones, but I had it there with me, some restaurant brakes. This thing is gonna be a bit messy. It has to be internally routed, and it's just a big thing if you don't know what to do. Obviously I have to take all this off, and from here too, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna have another bits that go with it so I can connect it back together, because I need to cut the cable. Yeah, this is a front brake, so I'm gonna put it in the back because I have another one the same, both in the job lot. Yeah, after so many attempts and after 5 minutes struggle, I just made it. Yeah, just made it. Very little gap there. Oh. Still the back will have nothing on that. I didn't manage to remove this crank. It's just all stubborn there. I broke my tool. So I'm gonna wait for Amazon to get another one, and after that I'm gonna give him like a proper wash and change the crankset. I did manage to put the stem with the forks. I put in the end SRAM brakes. There you go, and I put the grips as well. And on this side, it was so struggle to find the right amount of space. I had to just call my friend to give me this what's name? I forgot this spacer, yeah, for the brake adapter, yeah. And he gave me this brake as well, yeah. It's 180. I could put 160, but yeah, 180 is better. Only the front one is 4 piston. The back brake is only 2 piston. And what I have to do, I need to open the wheel, the bearings, and change the bearings probably, or maybe just regrease. There go the back one. That's just a single one. The pads are almost brand new on that. I'm gonna have to do bleed on those, and the front as well. Brand new pads in the front. And yeah, slowly, yeah, I got a few things to do, and after that I will test ride it outside. I'll see what's going on, but it should be alright. It looks already nice. I like it how it turned up, especially the bars here. And it was so cheap, these bars. I think so I paid £8 for them with the delivery. Yeah, it's already looking good. There you go. If I can manage to get the crank off, that'll be perfect. If not, I will just leave it there and I'll make 2x9 and that's it. Yeah, nothing else I can do that much, because I don't want to. I'll just break it more after that. And my worry is like if I can remove the bottom bracket as well, not just the crank. And I got the little helper. There you go. It's already contributing, yeah, for the food. I don't think so he will expect 100% of the profit, or maybe 60, 60, 50% of the profit. But it looks like he's doing all the job, yeah. Cleaning. There you go. I have to change the bearings. Just find on the donor wheel that I had before, and find the bearings like brand new. There you go. This is like from the old one, and this one I cooked up properly. Yeah. One was in half inside, so I have checked. Yeah. Just have finished the wheel now. Yeah, there you go. This is moving a bit slow because of the grease. Yeah, I put the grease inside. Yeah, I just need to adjust the caliper. Because the caliper is okay, the brake. Yeah, I just need to bleed it a bit to let the air out, and I spread out the caliper properly. Yeah.
I need to see what's happening with the bottom bracket. That's just right. So it took me a bit of time to remove the bottom bracket. I had to buy another set of tools to get it because the key was broken because it is still there. I just have to get the chain and bottom bracket installed and just give it a clean and bleed the brakes and just give it a proper clean. Yeah, I'll just probably do a spray on it like a silicone just to look better. The brakes are here from last time. Yeah. Going to clean everything nicely. I'll install this Shimano Q's, yeah, bottom bracket. Yeah. I got it from Vintage. Right guys, so I've another bottom bracket already. Yeah, I've been installing the crank. There you go. Doesn't look bad. Okay. Yeah, it's nice. It's fitting alright. So yeah, hopefully it should be alright. I just need to change the chain and just do the brakes now, and it should be right after that. Yeah. So slowly it's gonna come back to life, and it should be right for sale after that. Yeah. There you go. It's a brand new cassette there, 9 speeds. The chaining in the front is almost brand new. It's just a bit squashed up the crank arm. It's got a new chain. What I put new? The drink holder. It's got a bit dirty, but I need to clean it up a bit. I just changed the bars as well. Yeah. The forks are like new. There's not even scratch a stanchion, nothing. Yeah. New disc in the front, and I put new pads as well on that. Yeah, I got bleeded as well, so everything is holding. I just need to check the back brake because I'm still not happy that much with it. It doesn't hold properly, but that's just a minor thing. Yeah, new pedals, and then I need to change the seat post because it's just short. It's just kind of here. Just need to change it to the bigger one because this is 30 point something, and I need to get 31.6 or so. Yeah, and yeah, just put some carbon spacers there, bone tracker. Yeah, the bike looks okay. I'm happy with the bike so far. There you go. That's the final thing that I'm doing on the bike. Just a zip tie there for the cables, but yeah, the bike looks alright to me. So I'm gonna put it for sale soon. Yeah, just a used tires there. Yeah, guys. So that was the video from the Specialized that I sold. So I just spent for that bike quite a few money. Didn't expect to spend that much and not make much profit on it. Yeah, but you know, every bike is different. You always have to experiment with the different bikes, how much money you're gonna do and everything, and then you'll have an idea. Most of the bikes now that they get sold with a pretty good money is just Trek bikes. Yeah, the Trek is selling very good, sells fast as well, and even if you buy it cheaper, you have to refurbish it. Yeah, to fix it properly. Yeah, you'll still make profit on it, like on the previous video. Obviously I want to make at least £100 for the bike flip. Yeah, but it's not always the same. Yeah, so the breakdown for that bike, this one that I sold now, yeah, because the bike got sold, I got the tires with the tubes. The tires I bought them on Vinted. Tubes I got new, spent £28 for the tubes and the tires. The disc brake in the front, the rotor, I spent £5 on it. SRAM brakes that I put on. I had it bought from eBay. I bought in a job lot with more brakes, so I put just £10 because I paid 25, I think 25 for everything. The fork I got it from Vinted, which was £15. Grips £5. Cassette brand new £15. The chain, new chain £8. New pedal £8 as well. Crank, I bought the frame for 15. Was with the crank, and I just removed the crank. I put on that bike, and I have a few bits from that, like a headset to put on the next bike. Yeah, now I'm gonna do the handlebar that I pay £10 with the delivery, yeah, from Vinted, right? So for the bike I spent £40 to buy it. It was in rough shape, yeah, and I use £10 for the diesel to go and pick up the bike. The total of this stuff, yeah, to fix the bike, yeah, with the money that I bought the bike, it came up to £164. Yeah, a bit much more than I was expecting. Yeah, the bike sold in the end for 220. Yeah, it sit for like about 3 weeks on Facebook. I got a lot of shit offers. Yeah, somebody came genuine. He checked the bike for probably 20 minutes or so, or half an hour. He kept checking the bike, gears, brakes, everything. He make a few rounds around. Yeah, he liked the bike. Genuine buyer. Not as other people. They're just coming to mess around. Yeah. Anyway, after me spending 164 and getting the bike sold for 220, it left me with a profit of £56. Was not bad, not bad, but was not good also, yeah, because I spent a lot of time as well on the bike, uh, fixing it, cleaning it, and replacing the parts as well, yeah. And I spent a lot of time as well just checking on Vinted and eBay for the parts too, yeah. So yeah, it was not bad. £56 is not bad, yeah, but it could be better. I had somebody say in the previous video that I should do it 1x9, 1x10, but yeah, as you can see, it cost me more. Yeah, so if I won't be doing it uh, with 1x9 or 1x10, I'll probably just get like £100 profit on it. Yeah, because literally it was £25 plus another 10 for something, and then you will get me £100 profit. Yeah, but probably it will not sell for 220. Yeah, because the person look that he's got one chain in the front and then another one just 9 in the back, so he likes more the bike than other ones, right? So yeah, that's another video for another bike flip. I just see many people they sell, just they're just buying the bike, cleaning a bit, and then after that just put it for sale straight away. They don't just like look after the bike, replace some stuff that I got to use and everything. So yeah, I'm always trying to do good thing for the people, even if I will not make that much profit myself. At least the people that are happy, and then everything is okay in the end. That's more important. Yeah, sometimes I do have the Trek Model 4 that I need to fix. Didn't have time to do that one. Probably in a few days or a week or two I'll just do that one as well, and I'll just make a video for it. I already started on that bike for, I think so, just the back wheel, change tires, and then I just clean it a bit. I'll probably change the cassette on that, I'm not sure exactly, and then change the chain too. I'll just try and keep it at minimum on that bike. I want to see how much profit it can bring if I'll leave it on more minimum instead of me changing everything new on the bike, and then leave me with less profit than it should be. Yeah, but it's always room for something. Yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Just thanks for looking, and yeah, I'll just upload another one again when I can.